Welcome, everyone, to our session on Clean and Maintain Kitchen Tools and Premises for Q1 in Cookery. Today, we'll embark on a journey to ensure our kitchen spaces and tools are not only clean but also maintained to the highest standards. This foundation is critical for any successful culinary endeavor, and it's the first step in any cookery process. Before we move on to Lesson 1, keep in mind that maintaining cleanliness isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a safe space for creativity and deliciousness to thrive. Let's get started. We'll dive into practical techniques and methods that ensure a safe and efficient cooking environment. Remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to 1. Recognize kitchen tools and equipment to be cleaned and sanitized. 2. Identify the chemicals to be utilized in cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment. 3. Prepare cleaning agents in accordance with the manufacturer's instruction, procedure. 4. Clean and sanitize kitchen tools and equipment, and 5. Store cleaned kitchen tools and equipment. It's essential to integrate cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment into your standard operating procedures, as this is a cornerstone of any effective food safety program. The following are list of cooking materials, kitchen utensils and equipment that are commonly found in the kitchen. First, aluminum is a lightweight, attractive, and budget-friendly material commonly used in kitchens. It requires maintenance to keep its shine but excels at evenly distributing heat, making it versatile for cooking. Available in sheet or cast forms, aluminum can enhance your culinary routine and creations. Stainless steel is popular in kitchens due to its durability, resistance to wear, and ease of cleaning. When choosing cookware, opt for those with copper, aluminum, or laminated steel bottoms for even heat distribution, preventing dark spots. Although initially more expensive, stainless steel's longevity and low maintenance make it a valuable investment for cooks. A well-maintained kitchen tool enhances meal preparation. Glass is an elegant material for salads and desserts but unsuitable for top cooking. Requires careful handling for longevity. Adds beauty to culinary presentations but needs attention for maintenance. Enhances dish presentation, yet has cooking limitations. How to take care of glass. 1. To remove stain, use 2 tablespoons of liquid bleach per cup of water when soaking and cleaning. 2. Use baking soda to remove grease crust and boiled vinegar as final rinse. 3. Use a nylon scrub. Cast iron is a classic cooking material known for its durability. Key maintenance includes keeping it oiled to prevent rust, apply salad oil inside and out, then dry thoroughly. Wash with soap, not detergent, to preserve the seasoning. Following these care steps ensures your cast iron lasts for generations, enhancing the flavors of your dishes. The versatile double boiler is essential for gentle heating, ideal for delicate dishes like egg sauces and puddings that require temperatures below boiling. It keeps food warm without overcooking and is crucial for precision in making custard or melting chocolate, enhancing culinary creations beyond mere recipe following. Teflon coating is popular for cookware because it is non-stick, simplifying cooking and cleaning. To preserve its effectiveness, avoid sharp utensils and opt for wooden or plastic spatulas. These precautions can extend the life of Teflon cookware. Do you have any questions or tips for using Teflon in the kitchen? Next, under kitchen tools, first we have can openers are essential kitchen tools for safely and efficiently opening canned goods. They save time and effort, making a significant difference in your cooking routine. Ensure you have a reliable can opener in your kitchen. Colanders are versatile kitchen tools used for straining pasta and rinsing fruits and vegetables. They simplify cooking tasks, enhancing efficiency and ease of use, proving that simple tools can improve our cooking experience. Plastic and hard rubber tools are essential for kitchen cutting and chopping, offering safety due to their dullness. They are affordable and durable, though less long-lasting than other materials. A well-equipped kitchen values effective, simple tools over expensive ones, showcasing the effectiveness of practicality. Cutting boards are vital for chopping and slicing, with key points including materials, wood or plastic. Wooden boards, durable and knife-friendly but require maintenance. Plastic boards, lightweight, easy to clean, budget-friendly, but wear out faster. Choosing a quality cutting board protects kitchen tools and ensures safety, so select one that fits your cooking style and needs. This section discusses funnels, essential kitchen tools for filling jars efficiently. Available in stainless steel, aluminum, and plastic, they minimize spills when transferring liquids or dry ingredients. Having the right funnel can enhance your cooking experience. The garlic press simplifies pulping garlic, providing finely minced garlic quickly without the need for hand mincing. It helps garlic lovers avoid lingering odors on their hands, enhancing food preparation and streamlining cooking. Let's discuss graters, which simplify grating, shredding, and slicing vegetables and cheese for meal prep. Kitchen shears are versatile tools essential for any kitchen, ideal for opening food packages, cutting tapes, and removing labels with precision and control. They enhance cooking efficiency and enjoyment, making them beneficial for your cooking experiences. The potato masher is an essential kitchen tool for mashing cooked vegetables, ensuring smooth texture and consistency. The rotary egg beater is a durable, stainless steel kitchen tool ideal for beating small amounts of eggs or batter. It features a rotary mechanism for efficient, electricity-free mixing. Today, we highlight the rubber scraper, an essential kitchen tool for blending and scraping food. Its flexibility ensures thorough mixing with minimal waste, setting it apart from silicone scrapers and heat resistance. Serving spoons or bowl on a handle use serving or eating food. Serving tongs are used to grab and transfer food items, poultry or meat portions to a serving platter, hot deep fryer, and plate. They give you a better grip, especially when used with a deep fryer or a large stock pot or at then barbecue. Spatula is used to level off ingredients when measuring and to spread frostings and sandwich fillings. Spoons are solid, slotted, or perforated, which are made of stainless steel or plastic. The solid ones are used to spoon liquids over foods and to lift foods, including the liquid out of the pot. Temperature scales are used to measure heat intensity. Different thermometers are used for different purposes in food preparation, for meat, candy or deep fat frying, and other small thermometers are hanged or stand in ovens or refrigerators to check the accuracy of the equipment's thermostat. Whisks are used for blending, mixing, whipping eggs or batter, and for blending gravies, sauces, and soups. The beaters are made of looped, steel piano wires which are twisted together to form the handle. Wooden spoons are made of hard wood which are used for creaming, stirring, and mixing. Measuring tools. Measuring cup for liquid ingredients is commonly made up of heat-proof glass and transparent so that the liquid can be seen. Household scales are used to weigh large quantity of ingredients in kilos, commonly in rice, flour, sugar, legumes or vegetables, and meat up to 25 pounds. Kinds of knives according to use. French knife is used to chop, dice, or mince food. Heavy knives have a saber or flat grind. Fruit and salad knives are used to prepare vegetables and fruits. Kitchen knives, often referred to as cook's or chef's tools, used for all types of kitchen tasks such as peeling an onion, slicing carrots, carving a roast or turkey, etc. Citrus knife has a two-sided blade and serrated edge. It is used to section citrus fruits. Paring knife is used to core, peel, and section fruits and vegetables. Blades are short, concave with hollow ground. Vegetable peeler is used to scrape vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, and to peel fruits. The best ones are made of stainless steel with sharp double blade that swivels. Equipment. Equipment may refer to a small electrical appliance, such as a mixer, or a large, expensive, power-operated appliance such as ranges or a refrigerator. Equipments like ranges, ovens, refrigerators, conventional, convectional and microwave, are mandatory pieces in the kitchen or in any food establishment. 1. Refrigerators, freezers, are necessary in preventing bacterial infections from foods. Most refrigerators have special compartment for meat, fruits and vegetables too. Keep the moisture content of each type of food. Butter compartment hold butter separately to prevent food odors from spoiling its flavor. Basically, refrigerator or freezer is an insulated box, equipped with refrigeration unit and a control to maintain the proper inside temperature for food storage. 2. Oven is a chamber or compartment used for cooking, baking, heating, or drying. 3. Microwave ovens are used for cooking or heating food. 4. Blenders are used to chop, blend, mix, whip, puree, grate, and liquefy all kinds of food. A blender is a very useful appliance. They vary in the amount of power, voltage, wattage. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. God bless.